The Soapbox Derby was started in Dayton, Ohio by Myron Scott.
Myron was the lead photographer for the newspaper, the Dayton Daily News.
In 1933, he approached a group of 19 boys that were racing down a hill in orange crates and soapboxes.
With intentions of getting a good picture and story for the local race, he told the boys to come back with more racers and soapbox derby cars.
They returned and held the first soapbox derby that included 362 young boys.
The first official soapbox derby race was held in Dayton, Ohio in the year of 1934.
We feel that we are a worthy opponent to the rest of the teams because our driver can get very low in the car, increasing the aerodynamics, and he is well experienced with racing due to his winnings at last year's race.
In official competitions such as this, every team builds the same car, giving every team an even chance to succeed.
According to Newton's third law, for every action there has to be an opposite reaction. While gravity sends the car down the hill, friction is the opposite force that keeps the car from going as fast as it possibly can. Besides the other racers, friction is the one thing that we need to overcome to win the race.
Since 1933, the participation of soapbox derby racing has grown in a shocking amount. In the first race, there were orange carts and soapboxes, hence the name Soapbox Derby. Now there are sleek wooden cars that send racers down the hill at super fast pace.
For the future of soapbox derby racing, our team has come up with the prediction that the sport will be a lot more popular with schools and other groups around the world.
Soapbox derby racing can be thrilling and super scary at the same time, just as our driver Cedric. Going down a hill at 60 miles per hour in a wooden car could be somewhat unsafe, but overall the experience is amazing, one that we will never forget.
With the improving technology and rising fascination in soapbox derby racing, the builders will find safer and faster ways to race these cars down hills. The sport of soapbox derby racing is already a huge hit around the world, and it can only grow bigger from here.
As a last-year racer, I felt the adrenaline and rush to win and have the opportunity to race for not only my friends and my STEM family, but for my school. Not a lot of people have had the opportunity we as STEM students have. Last year we raced in Cleveland, Ohio, but this year, due to the water main break, we are going to Port Clinton to race on a ramp instead of a hill.